Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome. If you are new, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that, okay? So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this Amazon Prime wig. I did a review on it in my previous video. Make sure you click the link down below to check that out. Want the deets on this hair, it will be in the description box down below, you guys. Once again, you guys, this was a 20-inch wig. I don't believe it was 20 inches like I told y'all in my review if you watched that. But I am short, by the way. But we made it do what it do. If you guys want to see how I installed this wig, then keep on watching. Y'all, so let's get right into how I customized and installed this unit from Amazon. You can click the description box. You can click the link in the description box to check out the review on this hair. But this hair is from Pupsvieo. I just went ahead and took it out of the bag. I had already took it out of the original packaging when I did the review for you guys on my previous video. You can check that out once again in the description box. So right now I'm just showing you guys that the lace is white, okay? It is pre-plucked, but it is hella white, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of this Got to Be spray and just spray the edge and let all of those, you know, brush all of those flyaways and hair down, just so it won't be in my way when I begin to bleach the knots. I will be taking this bleach from L'Oreal. I believe this is the Bleach Blonde Lights. I had bleached my hair with this same bleach, like this same brand, and it works really good with lightening hair, and it's not like really harsh and leave your hair really hard, and it just works really good. And I've used it like on my natural hair when I had bleached my own hair at home. Yeah, you guys, but now your girl is back black, okay? So I'm just going to be taking 3 full scoops of this, and then I will be just adding a little bit of developer at a time. Like, I'm not going to really be adding a lot at a time because I wanted to make sure that I'm making it like a cake frosting mix or whatever type consistency, and I'm just going to be mixing that in a bowl. So you guys, you're gonna make sure it's like really thick or whatever. I like to use mine like a cake frosting type consistency. I don't like it real wet and just running through the lace. Like, nah, we ain't going like that. We ain't going like that. Some people, you know, they like it like that, but me, I like mine like cake frosting. It's easier to manage and move around, and like it's just like the easiest way to not really mess up your lace. But I'm just going to go ahead and be applying this all over the lace, you guys. Yeah, I really feel like it wasn't no point of me bleaching the knots, but at the same time, I mean, I wanted to make sure I did the whole process and did the whole thing to make sure it came out how it was going to come out. Okay, so yeah, it did kind of give it like a, you know, tone down from the white a little bit, but it was still white at the end. Okay, I went ahead and rinsed it off and washed it off of camera, and I had used these Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, and I also went in with the Shimmer Lights shampoo and conditioner as well. And this is what the lace looks like before, and we're going to be plucking this lace, okay? Because yeah, it's pre-plucked, but it needs some more plucking to it, and we're going to add some little baby hairs like that. Okay, so I'm just parting it down the middle, and then I will be taking some hair off of the sides and just parting out the edges that we're going to be beginning to pluck from. Push the rest of the hair back, and then we're going to begin plucking. Okay, you guys, so I will be taking these slanted tweezers, and I'm just going to be plucking the hairline really gently, but I will be speeding it up so it look like I'm going really, really fast, but I'm being gentle, you guys, because you don't want to snatch too much out, okay? But I'm just going to be plucking the edges or whatever like that, and just thinning them out because I don't really like, I just want it flat looking at the front. I don't want it bulky looking like the helmet head, okay? So we're just going to make sure we just get that real straight, plucked, nice, however you pluck yours, however you want your edges to look, do you, okay? But this is how I do mine, and then I go through and I part in the lace, like, not just on the edges, I go and part inside of the lace, and then you will see me, plucking inside of that lace as well, just to get some of that hair out of the front area so it can get flatter, look flatter, and yeah, that's what I do, you guys. So you guys, y'all can see that I will be plucking through it. Like, I like the part inside of it as well, not just around the edges like I said. And pluck out some of the hair right there because it do be thicker. You know what I'm saying? It be real thick at the front. You gotta pluck inside sometimes. You gotta pluck back into the lace. So you guys, this is what it's looking like after I had went ahead and plucked it. This is what it's looking like right here, and I'm just showing you guys everything. And this is the side that I plucked, and then this is the previous side, what it looked like. Okay, still hella thick, but this is the after of the whole thing being plucked. I'm going in with the tinted lace spray from Even, and it is the medium brown one, and I'm just going to be spraying it on top. Make sure you have dried your lace. If you haven't, I advise you do, or like don't do it if your hair is like really, really super wet, like the lace area. Just, kind of dry that up some, and then go ahead and just spray on your tinted stuff, and then blow dry it in. I feel like that works the best way with this stuff. Well, in my case, this is worked the best for me. It worked the best this way. So I'm just blow drying in that tinted spray, and then you guys will see me apply that onto my head. Okay, you guys, so we're going to be moving on into the install. I will be taking this boho jelly because if you guys watched my previous video where I had went to the beauty supply house, they did not have that Shea Moisture gel stuff for your lace gel or lace glue. They didn't have that, so I'm just going to be using it, Bold Hold jelly, and I'm just going to be brushing back my baby hairs or my hair that's around my edges, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and apply that Even spray, the yellow one, and I'm going to do like 2 or 3 layers before I actually lay the lace down on it. As you guys can tell, I did not do the cap method because I just wasn't finna get into all of that. But yeah, I'm just going to make sure I do like 2 or 3 layers, like how you would do with regular glue, like lace glue, like bowl hole glue, or Ghost Bond, any of those glues, you do like layers or whatever. So I did like 2 to 3 layers of this spray from Even in a yellow can, and I'm just going to be applying my lace there using the rat tail part of the comb, and I'm just going to be placing that lace down and making sure I blow dry on the cool settings. You guys, I blow dry it on the cool settings. And this spray actually comes with directions, so you guys can look on the back if you have this spray and use their directions, because that's how I applied it. I used the directions, and also I did more than one take on it before I laid my lace down, and my lace was in place. Now this I give 10 out of 10. Okay, this spray, it definitely will hold that lace in place Not playing. Like, it's gonna hold it in place like nobody's business. I don't know if I sat here and just, did multiple applications for it or what that made it hold like this, but baby, I could not. That hole was like extreme, and I'm gonna show you guys. Like, that hole was something serious. Yes, you guys. So I'm gonna zoom in so I can be able to show you guys that that hold was very crazy. Like, what? Like, y'all. And I only had just a little front lace, down and one side down when I just did the little pull test, okay? But you see me doing the last part, and it's just my sides or whatever, getting the side flaps down, because yeah, it's very serious like that, okay? That spray is not to be played with, like, definitely, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and just part out our edges, or what we will want for our baby hairs, and then we will be taking a wrap and tying it down. But before we do that, we're just gonna use a little bit of the got to be spray, just to hold the, just to make sure it's all down around the edge part, and then make sure that lace is intact, make sure it's together, okay? We're just gonna spray some of that got to be spray around the edge part, and then we're gonna tie it down with one of those lace gripper things. Okay, you guys, so here is the lace gripper. I'm just going to be tying that down, and I literally tied it down for like 10 minutes, and then I came back to show you guys how we finna really get into this whole customizing the wig and getting it on the headline and just, So I'm coming back showing you guys how it's looking. This is what it looks like whenever I came back. I still have the lace gripper thing on, but I went ahead and just took it off, and I will be taking that lace off. I'm using a eyebrow archer just to, take the lace off, cut the lace off. And I'm using this because it's better than using scissors, because scissors, you get a pretty straight blunt line, but with this eyebrow archer, you really ain't gonna get no straight line. Like, it's a no-brainer, you're not gonna get it. And so yeah, I'm going to be parting it down the middle, you guys, and I'm going to be styling it up. I'm using this She Is Bomb wax stick, and I'm just going to be making that part in the center flat and more defined. And I'm going in with my hot comb, and I will be going ahead and pressing this out, you guys. I put this on 20. I believe that's the highest it goes on this one. And I'm just going to be pressing it out, making sure everything is really flat, and that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay, you guys, so moving on into the baby hairs. I'm just parting out a little bit of the hair, and then I'm going in with the yellow spray from Even, and I'm just going to be spraying it on top of a little dot of the boho jelly, and I'm just going to be mixing the two and just holding in those baby hairs, getting them all up into place, okay? Okay, you guys, so moving on, I will be just spraying a little bit of the Pump It Up just to hold it down a little bit in place, I didn't want to put too much of it because this will make your hair hard, but I just put like a little bit of it because I do want it to stay in place, the baby hairs. Okay, you guys, so moving on, after I did the hair, I just went ahead and just parted out a little piece at the back. I'm going in with this chai or shy oil. It is some silk infusion oil from them, and then I will be putting a little bit of that all over my hands and then rub it into the hair. Not too much because you don't want to drown your hair and it be looking like too much product. Yeah, we're not doing it. So I just put out like I'm not even parting it out, you guys. I'm just like grabbing little pieces of hair and just really just curling the ends. And as I was doing this, you know, I just noticed that the curl wasn't staying, but you know, I'm just recurling it and making it do what it's gonna do, okay? Trying to give it something, give it a look, okay? So you guys, I do like the products. I haven't did units on myself in a while, but I do like the way this install came out, even though we didn't use the ball cap method. Hope you guys did too. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button for your girls. Subscribe to my channel if you are new and you like what you see and you want to join the squad for more, okay? Also comment your thoughts down below. I do like the way the install was. Like, I like the whole install process and everything like that. I didn't do the ball cap method. I just came to a conclusion like, yeah, I'm not going to do the ball cap method because your girl probably not going to have this wig up that long because it's just, I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty much it on this video. I love the products from Even. I love their products. However, I don't like that this hair did not hold curl. It definitely, the curls just fall. I combed it out a little bit, but I used like a wide tooth comb. I had to keep recurling and recurling because the curls was not holding. And another thing is, the hair is kind of thin, so that's why I decided to go ahead and put some curls in the hair. Other than that, the hair still has its softness. I didn't really get a lot of shedding. I just got a little bit of shedding after I bleached the knots, which was very pointless. The lace tint was kind of too dark for my hair, I feel like, for my scalp area. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mix it up, do something else. Then I'm going to get tired of weeds. Y'all know how they go. And then I'm going to go back to my protective style. I'm about to be out of